Oh, hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can watch free movies and TVs for free, so legally as well. So what you want to do is you want to go to youtube.com on your browser, and on the left side, so you log in with your account. On the left side, so depending on your country, uh, you're gonna see the movies and TV on the left side right here. Just click on that. So usually like you're on the home button right here. So go to movies and TVs. And once you're on here, as you can see, you can buy these movies, but we're looking for free version. So free is this one. And you can also like go to the top and click on free. It's gonna show you a bunch of free movies and TV shows that you can watch for free. So you don't have to pay for anything here. So you get like you see um, all these movies from Hollywood and Titanic. As you can see, there's a lot of movies right here. The Great Wall, Spy, etc. And yeah, so there's even Hulk and Terminator you can watch for free. So this is pretty cool. I'm gonna mute this. But yeah, so this is all free, and you can watch it on the right side right here. There's a bunch of other related movie that you can watch, Troy and so on. And you can also, you know, look by comedy, drama, by genre, see, animation, horror, family, yeah, family movies, a lot of family movies here you can watch for free, and science fiction. There's primetime shows as well, thriller, crime, documentary, romance, western, and you name it. There's a bunch for you to watch for free, and this is just the beginning. You can also rent it if you want on here. Uh, yeah, if you're not happy with this, just rent. It's not gonna cost a lot, I think. And let me show you in the next right here, the next website to watch for free movies and TV shows. So if you go to Amazon.com right here, uh, and most of you guys might have Amazon membership or not, but it's gonna work even without a membership. Amazon Prime, so you can just watch for free. And what you want to do is you want to go to Prime Video. So on the left side, it shows all. Just click on that and go down to Prime Video right here. And just go click Prime Video one more time. And it's going to show you, so included with your Prime membership. So even though you don't have Prime, you're gonna be able to watch. If you have Prime, it's even better. Prime membership, you can watch a lot of free TV shows that are mostly exclusive for Prime, and see free TV most watched. So you can watch a lot of cool videos like movies and TV shows on here without paying anything. As you can see, free TV most watched, free popular TV, and then we're gonna have let's see, free popular movies. So let's click see more, and there's a bunch of really good movies right here. So if you want to watch any free movies, go to Prime Video, and this you don't need to any Amazon Prime. It says Prime right here, but I think there's without Prime you can watch as well for free. So if you have Prime, it's even better. You can have access to this. I think you make use of your subscription the most is going here and watch all kinds of movies and TV shows with your Prime membership. And yeah, so that's the second website, and I'm gonna show you next one, another website. So the next website is tubitv.com. There's a bunch of free movies here. You don't have to pay anything, and there's even like movie night right here. It's sorted by genre right here: horror, most popular, and so on. So there's a lot of movies you can watch on here. So yeah, so just go to tubitv.com and you can watch a bunch of movies on here, even TV shows as well. You click on TV shows, it's going to show you a lot of TV shows that you can watch for free. And you go to movies, and there's a bunch of movies right here. There's even like The Fifth Element. That's kind of like one of my favorite movie. Dumb and Dumber, Cloudy Meatballs right here, as you can see. You can click and you can watch. There's even the Lego Batman movie you can watch on here if you click on it. Uh, so you click on it, you can watch this for free. And that's pretty cool. So watch these movies, and then in the next website, I'm gonna show you another website to watch for free movies. So the next website is Roku.com. So you don't need that to buy that device, Roku device to watch. You go to Roku.com and you go to what to watch, browse movies, and then it's gonna show you this page. And then just scroll down, and it's called your Roku channel. So it's your home for free, live, and premium TV. Here is featured right here. You can see the Despicable Me 2 right here. When I click on it, you're gonna be able to watch it. So you can watch it free with ads. You can create an account actually to watch for free, and it's gonna have ads just like YouTube. Just you can watch for free all these movies, so you don't need to pay anything. So these are like popular movies as well. And if you go here, there's actually, you go down the Roku channel. So there's Roku originals as well. As you can see, those are only on the Roku.com website. And these are all the movies that are featured for free. And you can also pay if you want to rent or like watch these. As you can see, there's Marvel, but these you need to rent to watch. I think it's about $3. So if you don't want to pay anything, just watch the free Roku. So the next one is called Plex.tv, and this one is also free. So you want actually to find, let's see, you go down. I think it's a new release. These are rentals, and I think free is probably somewhere down here. So so it's right here. You go on demand on the top, and then below free movies right here, learn more. There's free movies and TV shows. You want to click on that, and that's free movies online. Watch anytime, anywhere. So right here you can watch. Just click watch free, and it's gonna take you here. And I think you can watch live for free here. These TV shows also on demand right here, and I think you can click on this to watch for free. As you can see, watch for free. There's even ratings from Rotten Tomato, uh, here IMDb as well, and that's pretty cool. And these are all suggested on Plex.tv, so you can watch for free, and you can also watch on your phone if you download the app, and on your TV as well. So that's Roku, so Plex.tv, sorry, and you can watch all these for free as well. So these are pretty cool to watch. These are rentals, but the other ones are free to watch. Okay. So this next website is sling.com/free stream. So it's going to allow you to watch as well free movies and TV shows. As you can see here, you can stream. So here, so sling.com, and you can watch this live for free. There's different episodes right here, TV shows as well. You can watch on sling.com, the website, for free. And there's a lot more right here. You can watch the World Cup as well. There's different movies right here. So you can click on movies, and these are popular movies. You can unlock these movies as well. And let me check. So let's see if we can watch this for free. If you click watch now and just wait a little bit. So as you can see, it's gonna have ads and like it's gonna be right back right here in 30 seconds. So you just have to wait and you can watch these for free. So yeah, all these for free movies as well. As you can see, a lot of free movies and TV shows you can watch. You can sort by comedy, genre, horror, drama, romance, uh, action, right here. And so all these are free movies for you to watch. So that's pretty cool. So sling.com is the website. So another website is called Kanopy.com. You can stream for free, thousands of films for free. So if you need is your public library card or university login, then you can watch ad free. So all the public libraries and universities can watch movies for free on here on Kanopy.com, and you can browse the movies right here. As you can see, all these movies, popular movies, are all free to watch. And also there's popular documentaries right here and popular world cinema and all this. So feel free to sign up and check this out. And the next website is hoopladigital.com. So this one you can watch for free, ads free as well. So thanks to your public library, you can enjoy audiobooks, ebooks, comics, movies, TV, magazines, and music everywhere you have a screen or computer. So as you can see, trending titles right here, those are audiobook, popular ebooks you can check out, and popular comics, popular movies right here. As you can see, if you click on movies, see more, you're gonna find a lot of movies you can check out for free, ads free as well on this website. So earlier I saw there was a TV series, popular television section. As you can see, if I click more, it's gonna show a bunch of TV series down here. As you can see, there's 73 pages long, and yeah, so enjoy this. If you find this helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.